Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to try on this beautiful wig. So if you find this video entertaining or interesting, be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So I made this wig for one of my clients. It was just like a trial and error, and most of you loved it. So I decided to make this one as well. I shared it on my website and most of you loved it and ordered it. So I decided to share it today. So I'll sew an elastic band on it just to make it more secure. I'm going to cut the lace, and then I just use the lace. I didn't use a frontal. So guys, again, if you're interested in any of my wigs or this one, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below, so you can contact me and I'll send it to you. And then again, if you've ordered my wigs before, kindly leave a review on the website, especially if you ordered it from the website. Just leave a review and I'll really appreciate it. For the wig to look more natural, go ahead and apply concealer on the parting and between the cornrows just to make it blend well with your complexion. But since this is a client's wig, I didn't want to apply a concealer on the entire hair. I just applied it on the parting. But if you don't want the cap to look whitish, make sure you apply concealer. So guys, just comment down below your honest opinion on this wig. If you love it, if you love the style. Apply the concealer between the cornrows to make it blend well with your complexion. That was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.